Hello everyone, I'm Chris Miller. I'm one of the diesel techs, trailer techs here at the RE Garrison, and been here a little over a year. Love it, can't complain. If anybody's looking for a good place to work, this is the place to be. This is a APU Thermoking tri-pack tutorial here on how to use it. You got your 3 control knobs. Your first one, you got a setting for your air conditioner, just a fan only in the middle. On your right, you got the heat. And just like in any vehicle, you got your control for how cold or how hot you want it. You got your fan speeds here. To turn it on, you just hold the one on the far left till the lights come on. Have to stand by. Take a second for the fuel pump model to kick on. And also, if you turn it on like this, it's also in your standby mode. So if your voltage starts going down, it'll kick on automatically. It does that in any mode. You don't have to have the fan wide open on it. Fan start to kick on. I should set your speed up all the way on code. I'm gonna turn it to fan only, just for the coupe fan. Switch it over. Then it just does the fan there as normal. The heat, set like whatever you want it on. Turn it on that. It'll take the little torpedo heater a minute to fire up. If you happen to have any faults, like there's a red triangle to pop up on here. Red triangle's the engine start fault. It'll usually say engine or ENG, or the ALT for the alternator charging system, or it'll have another one down there if it's the AC system on it. Kind of give you an idea what it's going on. But if it'll have a yellow triangle, if it just fails to start, there'll be nothing mechanically wrong. Just might be a low prime on fuel or something, or voltage is a little low. It'll show the yellow triangle. But it kind of explains if it does have a fault, what area to look for. Little knob down here on the bottom that sticks out. That's your temperature. That keeps the temperature of your thermostat. So you just leave it in that mode and it'll keep it charged. Like if you turn your truck on, of course it's automatically going to kick off. But once, like I said, your volts get low, it'll kick on. And if you want to turn it off totally, if you're going to be out of the truck for a while, do that. But if you're gonna be gone for a weekend, it'd be a good idea to kill your master or leave this running, keep all your batteries and stuff charged, because these use little to no fuel at all compared to the old ones. It's got your main power here, and if you kill it here while you have it running in there and it'll show the red triangle, you'll have to power it off and power it back on. It won't kick on automatically if you flip this switch off and then flip it back on. But yeah, that's your main power kill here. If it's having any problems, and sometimes they work on stuff, we use that a lot. And if you do have problems, like when you try to start it and it won't come on, it's a good idea to check this, because a lot of times we'll flip it off when we bring it to the shop, keep running the noise.